Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Thank you for joining me. Let us look at this chemistry question. The table shows the structure of different atoms and ions. What are the values of W, X, Y, and Z? When an atom becomes an ion, do you know what changes and what remains the same? Does the proton change when it becomes an ion? Yes, you're correct. It doesn't change, so it's the same. How about the neutrons? Does it change or does it remain the same, the number of neutrons? Yes, you're right. It remains the same. So the number of neutrons remain the same when it changes from an atom to an ion. How about the number of electrons? Does it change or does it remain the same? Yes, you're correct. It changes. So the number of electrons is either decreased or increased when it becomes an ion, either gain or lose an electron. Okay, from this knowledge, we can find out what is W, X, Y, and Z. So W is the number of neutrons. So number of neutrons does not change when an atom becomes an ion, right? So it should be 12. It should be the same. Atom and ion. This number of protons, and we agreed that it's the same, remember? So X should also be 12. How about Y? Y is number of neutrons, which remains the same when an atom becomes an ion. So it is 10, same as the ion. How about the number of electrons? For number of electrons, when fluorine becomes fluoride, it becomes a negative charge. To become a negative charge, you have to gain an electron. Okay, it gains an electron to become a negative charge because electrons are negatively charged. So 9 plus 1 will be 10. Similarly, if you look at this one, magnesium becomes magnesium ion. It has to lose 2 electrons to become 10. So the answer will be 12, 12, 10, and 10, which is answer D. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.